In today's video, I'm going to teach you Shopify app creation. By the end, you'll know exactly how to start a new app in your Shopify developer tools, configure the essential settings, and get ready to build with confidence. Begin by opening your Shopify admin. From your store's home, open the My Store tutorial to access helpful shortcuts. This view makes it easy to jump into the developer area without hunting through menus. Next, head into the Dev dashboard. This is where you manage all of your apps, versions, and settings. Click Create App to start a fresh project. On the Setup screen, choose the npm init at Shopify/app at latest option. This selects Shopify's official CLI template, which scaffolds a modern app with recommended structure and tooling. Even if you haven't run it locally yet, choosing this template aligns your dashboard configuration with the expected project layout. In the highlighted field, type your app name. Keep it clear and descriptive, so teammates and merchants can recognize it at a glance. When you're ready, click Create. Shopify will provision your new app and take you to its overview. Open the app by clicking its name to access the active version and configuration. Enable Embed App in Shopify Admin. This ensures your app appears directly inside the merchant's admin and can use Shopify's Polaris design system for a native look and feel. Set the API version to 2025-04. Pinning a specific version shields your app from breaking changes and lets you upgrade on your own schedule. If you're not sure which version to choose, select the one recommended for new builds and plan periodic upgrades. Review the highlighted configuration sections and select the options that match your current stack and workflow. If you're uncertain, leave the defaults. You can always come back and refine. Open redirect URLs. This is critical for OAuth. Add the exact callback you'll use during development and production. Use HTTPS, match the path expected by your auth flow, and keep entries precise. Any mismatch will block installation. If your app needs to run in retail, enable POS to surface your app in Shopify Point of Sale. If not, it's perfectly fine to leave this disabled. Finally, return to the versions list page. This is your checkpoint to review drafts, track changes, and manage what's ready for release. That's it. You navigated from admin to the dev dashboard, created a new app with the official template, named it, enabled admin embedding, pinned the API version, verified redirect URLs, optionally enabled POS, and wrapped up at the versions overview. With these foundations in place, you're set up